Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add a Google Reviews widget to your WordPress website using the Elementor plugin from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the idea here is we first want to make sure that we're logged into our WordPress account as an administrator. So it's what I have here, and here's what the dashboard looks like. And the idea is we want to get access to the site builder as well as the text editor for Elementor. And there are a couple ways to do that. You guys could either click on Edit Site under Quick Links, or click on Appearance and go to Editor, or click on Plugins, Install Plugins, and then selecting Elementor. Or you could simply click on Pages and All Pages, and it should redirect you to this page right here, where you get to manually configure each page for Elementor. And because we're trying to add a Google Reviews widget to our WordPress website, I would recommend that you do this on the home page. So it's this one right here. Simply click on the three dots or the ellipses and click on Edit. And when you do, it should take you to this page right here, and this is my home page for my website. Now, if I want to add a Google Reviews widget, I would simply click on the dashboard for Elementor, click on the search bar, like so, and type down reviews. Now, I should mention that the Reviews tab or the Reviews widget is only available for Elementor Pro users. So if you guys are on a free plan like me, then you wouldn't get to use this. But I'll show you anyway just how to do it. And it's pretty much the same deal. You simply want to drag and drop, or I should say you want to first create a container, a new container like this, and simply drag and drop the widget into that container and configure it from there. So you could embed a Google link for your reviews that are tied to your Google account over here, and it would normally display here showing all of the reviews. And to show you guys what I mean, here's how it would look like. So it would be displaying the reviews on your website that are tied to your business or your website as well as your account for Google. So it would show you all of the reviews, customer testimonials, as well as what they've had to say for your business. And that's honestly that. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.